Hello guys, and welcome to this series of web concepts, and in today's video we are going to look at internet and world wide web. So let's begin. First of all, let's discuss about the internet. Simply put, an internet is a vast network of nodes connected together and are able to communicate with each other. When I say a node, it can be any electronic device like laptop, computer, tablet, mobile, or even any IoT device. To understand internet in a better way, let's take an example. Consider you and your friend have some devices which want to communicate with each other. In that case, your device and your friend's device is going to be connected through a link which can be either wireless or wired. And after the connection, both the devices will be able to communicate with each other. This small network will known as the PAN, that is the personal area network. Now consider you and your friend are in a room of a building. Inside different room there could be PAN or a single device located in a room. Your devices can communicate with each other but will not be able to communicate with any other device placed in any other room of that building. To eliminate this, all the devices present in different rooms will be connected together, which will form a LAN, that is the local area network. Now with the LAN, you will be able to communicate to any other device present in that building. Now even though communication within the building is enabled, you will not be able to communicate to any other device that is present in some other buildings or apartment or home. So on a higher level, we have the MAN, that is the metropolitan area network, which will connect all the different buildings across the city. Now within the city, your device will be able to communicate to any other device present in that city. Now suppose your device wanted to communicate with a device that is present in some other country or continent. For that we have the WAN, that is the wide area network, which connects all the cities, countries or continents together, forming a wide area network. And using that, any device present in any location will be able to communicate to any other device across the world. Now remember that there are many intermediate devices that ensure the communication to be happen smoothly. For example, we have routers, switches, hubs, satellites, mobile towers, and even the fiber optics and the Ethernet. This entire system of interconnected network and nodes is known as the internetworking or the internet. Now pick any device from the internet and that device is able to provide various services to all the connected devices in the internet. For example, consider a node, let's say it's a computer and it wants to provide file transfer service. So for that it will install a software like FileZilla, Complete FTP or the VSFTPD, and then it will be able to provide file transfer service. While providing the file transfer service, FTP will act as an application layer protocol while the TCP will act as a transport layer protocol. Similarly, let's say it wants to provide the mail service. In that case, it can install the softwares like iReadMail, James, Haraka and Postal, and in that case SMTP will act as an application layer protocol while TCP will act as a transport layer protocol while using this service. Similarly, let's say it wants to provide name resolution service, which primarily be used to convert the domain name into its equivalent IP. For that, it can install the softwares like bind IP, DNS mask and not DNS, and in this case DNS will act as an application layer protocol while the UDP will act as a transport layer protocol. Similar to these services, web is also a service that can be provided by any node present in the internet. To provide web service, the node can install softwares like Apache, IIS or Nginx, and while providing web service, HTTP will act as an application layer protocol while TCP will act as a transport layer protocol. So simply put, web is also a service that can be provided by any system present in the internet. Also note that since web is a very common service that is provided by many nodes present in the internet, it is also known as the World Wide Web. So to sum it up, internet is simply the infrastructure that allows the communication to happen from one point to another point and with which the devices are connected together, while web is simply a service that can be provided by any node present in the internet. So that's all for today guys. I hope you like the video. If you have any doubt, please comment it down. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.